Hello all, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can service reset a Mercedes C-Class W204 model. It's from 2013, this car. And after servicing the car or changing the oil, you need to reset the indicator on the odometer. And I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the flashing indicator on the instrument cluster. Before we start our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car, have a look at our other videos. I have more than 250 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, we have to turn the ignition on to the first position. This is the first one. This is the second one. We have to go to the first position. Then we need to have the total odometer over here. So if it is not, you have to go to the trip, press OK, have this on the odometer, on the instrument cluster. Then the answering button on the right side and the OK button on the left side. Press them together. Keep pressing them till a secret menu appears. Yes, once this appears on the instrument cluster, use the left side of the steering wheel to go to Assist Plus. Press OK. Full surface. So scroll down to full surface. Press OK. Confirm by this button. Press OK. You'll get a question about which oil grade you used for the car. We used 229.3. And another confirmation by pressing it yes. And once you have done that, you can check it, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, go to surface, Assist Plus, and as you can see, the indicator has gone and starts reminding you about 15,000 kilometers. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Give us a thumbs up and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.